Good morning, Mandy. I was just going to shoot over a quick little run through of Campaign Monitor. So this is the default CRM that we use for all our campaigns and emails and that sort of thing. So you should have received your request to join. So I've sent it to your email here. If you haven't, I think you did mention you got one, so that's cool. So just to show you how to set everything up and set up your notifications, that sort of thing. So we'll connect it once we get the landing page for the free book all finished. We'll connect the form up to your Campaign Monitor account. So this list here, when you go to list some subscribers, this list here will be where all your leads for that campaign will sit. Now, to set up notifications so you get notified for every time a lead comes through, you can just go over here to, on the right-hand side, you can see Manage My Preferences. And in here, you go, there's a few different options that you can choose. So you can either go to Notify Me Instantly, and then you can choose the lists. So once we get a few more campaigns running, we'll be able to segment those leads. And if you just wanted to get notified instantly every time a lead comes through, you can choose that option. And another option is you can do a summary. So you can do daily, weekly, or monthly. So I'll leave that up to you. You can decide how you want to receive. You can do both there if you wish. And in terms of emails and workflows and that thing to go with the campaign, once someone opts in, you can add them in here. Now we can do this. This is fine. If you have the emails and you've got them already set up, just shoot them over to Matt or myself and we can finish setting it up. But that's basically all you really needed to know was how to access the leads. So once they come through as well, you should be able to click on this list here, and then it should have the a list of all the leads there. There's 0 at the moment just because we haven't launched yet, but yeah, there's a bit of a run through. If you get any questions there, just give me a shout and I should be able to help you out. Thanks.